Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. There is always a lot of interesting information especially for you. Be sure to like me. Today I will tell you, when will it be released and what will it be? iPhone SE 3. 6 months ago, Apple Corporation released the second generation budget iPhone SE, which attracted a lot of discussion on the web. Still, a smartphone with good hardware and a low price tag from Apple definitely deserves attention. However, after its release, users began to ask more often about the iPhone SE 3. Will it appear? We are pondering this question. When will the iPhone SE 3 be released? Determining the release date of the third generation iPhone CE is not difficult. Let's analyze when the special edition models came out. The first generation iPhone SE is an improved modification of the iPhone 5S. The phone was presented on 03/05/2016, 2 years and 6 months after the iPhone 5S. The second generation iPhone SE has become an improved version of the iPhone 8. The model was released on April 15, 2020, 2 years and 7 months after the iPhone 8. About 4 years have passed between the presentations of the devices, respectively, and the iPhone CE 3 should be expected in 4 years. You can see that the Apple Corporation is releasing the iPhone CE, adhering to a clear plan. If everything continues to be the same, we will see the new special edition smartphone in the spring of 2024. Recall that the iPhone SE 2 received the following characteristics: glass and metal body, Retina display with a diagonal of 4.7 with a resolution of 1334 by 750 pixels, True Tone technology, Apple A13 Bionic processor, created using 7nm process technology, from 64 to 128 GB of memory, single camera with a resolution of 12 megapixels, battery 1821 mAh, fast Wi-Fi 802.11x, NFC module for contactless payment for purchases. What will the iPhone SE 3 be like? It is too early to say what the third generation iPhone CE will be. Following the latest Apple trends, we can say that SE 3 will be an improved version of the model presented in 2021. True, Apple's plans are changeable, and you don't always know what to expect tomorrow. More than once, the company has quietly posted new gadgets on the site without unnecessary hype and presentations. Some people think that Apple could release cheaper phones more often, and this would be quite correct during the pandemic. The release of the iPhone CE 3 is predicted by the famous analyst Min-Chi Kuo. According to an insider, the model will receive a 5.5 or 6.1 diagonal screen, and a Touch ID fingerprint scanner will be placed in the side on-off button. We will not talk about the price and characteristics of the future iPhone yet, but it is obvious that Apple will keep the policy of old body plus top end filling equals new inexpensive SE smartphone. If you want to save money, we suggest not to wait 4 years, but rather look at the iPhone model of the past years on the Y.UA website. Indeed, after the release of the 12th line, the prices for the previous models decreased. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to my channel and like me, I constantly select the most interesting and new information for you, and all this is only on my channel.